are days of great trial and famine and darkness and slow. Still we hear the voice and the desert crying, prepare the way of the Lord. Oh, hey, body on the cloud, shining like the sun. I let your head go, lift up. Is it here? Hey, heart of Zion, hey, silent. Hey, behold, he comes, body on the clouds, shining like the sun. I let your head go, lift your voice, say you to believe. Hey, heart of Zion, hey, salvation's home. And these are the days of Ezekiel, the dry bones will come in as flesh. And these are the days of your servant, ever rebuilding the temple of praise. And though these are the harvest, the fields are wise right in your word.